All right, y'all. So I got a dilemma and I'm going to show you all what that is and see if we can come up with a remedy. So I'm actually over here working on this car here and I'm almost done working on the intake, and that's coming up in a future video. So what my problem is that as you look across my shop, any parallel surface got something on it. If you go look in your bedroom or your living room, your nightstand, kitchen counter, parallel surfaces have stuff on it and accumulate. Okay, so when I built this cart here, as you all can see, I got some stuff on here. Okay, and I took these things off right here, this throttle body, this upper intake plenum, that kind of stuff. I changed the air control valve, and yeah, I ran out of space. So what I decided to do, I bought this US General Mobile service tray to be the perfect companion to this cart here, because this cart is holding majority of my tools. This thing is working out really well, but I need something mobile that I can actually pull off a carburetor, intake, put some spark plugs, some parts on, work on it there, and then put it back on the vehicle. This is the US General Mobile service tray, and as you all can see, it comes in black. It's got a work surface of 29 by 20 inches with rubber bumpers, just in case you bump into something or yourself. You got adjustable tray height of 34 to 47 inches. I'm only 5'7", so I'm pretty sure we're not going to get to the upper end of that 47 inches. It's got a 12-inch drawer with ball bearings, so that should be pretty awesome as well. It's on casters. You all know I like my tools to be mobile. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and bust this open here. So we got 4 casters here. We just bust the box open there. We're gonna put that over there. Okay, screws. It's gonna be pretty straightforward, y'all. Yeah. So essentially, it's gonna be one of these things here. Straight down, like so. Okay, move this over here. That there, give myself some room. Washer number 2, there's 12 of them. There like that, then like that. And then do the same thing for the other side. And come here. Same thing, caster, washer, and then the nut. Help if you don't do it upside. Put the nylon locking nut in at the same time. Pop ding. Spin it around town. If you got that reference, cool by me, because I can watch SpongeBob all day. Okay, same thing over here. And put that over here like so. The other leg, same thing. Doesn't seem to matter which way is up or down, just same thing over here. Okay. Caster, washer, spin it to the tights, You don't have to He-Man it. Carry this bolt all the way down. Tighten this. That is a 13 millimeter. Okay, boom. That's that. Might be easier to just start here with this. Yep. So this required these small screws, lock washer. Let's go ahead and set these up so when I start screwing them in, we'll be ready to go. Boom, boom, like so. Flat washer. And we got one more. Does it ever make you all nervous when you're putting something together and you end up with more screws than oh, you have extra screws? That sometimes makes me nervous. Like, what is going on? Did I forget something? I say go ahead and set this up first. So you all can get a better look at that. Put together like so. Do not sit, stand, or climb on this item. Not the smartest person if you're doing that. And then you come here with this here. Wham. It is almost put together, guys. Simple as that. So what we're gonna do with this 13 millimeter, tighten this up. Go ahead and do the almost star pattern, even though there's only 4 screws. Or bolts, I should say. When does a screw not be classified a bolt or vice versa, y'all? Somebody want to share that? Let me know, because screw, bolt, they're all the same to me. They're not all the same, I know. Cool. A washer and a lock washer. So we got this here, here. You got this curved washer there, and then you want to go ahead and just put that there like so. This just locks all of this together. That is bigger than the 13. Let's try 15. 16. So now that we got this tightened here, make sure that these are all good to go. Snug like a bug. Okay. Then the next thing we need to do is take our awesome tray here, tray top. Let's move these wrenches out the way. So we're gonna put this here like so. Now we have our stand, which goes like so. Nope. So there's an indentation here or whatnot. They don't even talk about it, but there's an indentation here and a dimple and a slot cut out. I'm gonna show you all that. So here's the dimple and the slot cut out for that with the 4 screws there. So set these screws up again, just like everything else. Split washer, washer, split washer, washer, and then split washer, washer. Go ahead and get these started. Uh-oh. Look like we may not have any, I don't say missing, but any, whoa, Raggy. No, that's right. That's right. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna turn this around this way here. Get this out the way. Go ahead and tighten these up. And then this one here. Excuse me. Guess I'm getting my workout on. I could have used the impact, huh? Okay. So now we're gonna take this here. We're gonna line this up here, like so. And line it up like so. And there's our stand. And then you have your T-bolt here. Put your T-bolt here. This allows you to adjust the table to whatever height you want it to be. Like I said, I'm a short guy, so it's not gonna go that high. And then finally, take your Phillips screwdriver. There we go. And the final screw you want to put in is this flathead screw here. Take this one here. Let's put it in here now. There. I'll bring this up a little bit. Not that short, but something like that. Waist level. Then you come back with your mats here. Because you know, I just dumped this all over the place. Boom. There. And these two here. These are actually pretty decently heavy, you know? So there you go. And there you have it, y'all. There's the tray. Bumpers, there you go. So this is how we're gonna outfit this service tray. We got the 6-piece heavy duty screwdriver set by Doyle. Heavy duty long nose pliers here, flat nose pliers in 8-inch. We also got the 8-inch side cutters or diagonal cutter pliers, 8-inch slip joint cutter pliers, paper towel. We got some gloves here, heavy duty, extra large. We got the magnetic glove dispenser and then the magnetic paper towel holder as well. So let's go ahead and set this tool tray up because we want this to complement this service cart. Now check it out. You see the service cart is holding some stuff there. And there's the service cart companion, the service tray. And yeah, this is definitely gonna just make me a little more room when working on these cars and projects and things of that nature. You wanna take something off, you can take it off real quick. Got my paper towels there. Got my pliers right here. Got my gloves there. And I'm pretty sure it'll be outfitted with some more stuff and things of that nature. So yeah, this is gonna be awesome. With that being said, y'all, please like, comment, subscribe. I got some work to do here on this Accord and work on this next video. We'll see you next time on Alcohol.